Hello, Ken here from Ultralight Camera Solutions, and today I'm going to do part 5 of our video series on our underwater kits that we have, and this one will be on tripods. As you can see, we've got quite a few different tripods from small to large, and we have like this one with 3-inch arms and a GoPro tripod mount, so you can mount a GoPro on that. You could take this mount off if you had a like a Sea Life video camera or something else with a 1/4-20 threaded hole, and you can just thread it right down on there and you're all set. We also have this that comes with a 1/4-20 ball on it, which would be like this one, so you can mount a light. And then here we have, this is with 6-inch arms, and I have this one set up with a light just to show you. So the kit does not include, of course, the light or this clamp, but everything down below. And this is kind of cool because you could set this light up, let's say a cave, a wreck, or somewhere where you want lighting and you can't be around to have somebody hold it. So you could set this up really easy, turn it on, and you're good to go. We also have a smaller version of our pan and tilt tripod. So this has 9-inch arms on it, and this is the pan and tilt head. So you can move it around, you can swivel it around, you can lock it into whatever position that you have it. This will fit quite a few different cameras, and it's only got one threaded bolt right here that you can use. So the pad is about 2 by 3, and it actually works pretty good. So we also have a little bigger setup. So this is using our tri-tray and our BAMT mounts, and this has 6-inch arms on it. This is a kit, but you can do a lot of different things with this tri-tray, and this tri-tray will fit nearly anything that I've been able to put on it and find so far. It'll work. So this is just to show you, you could put a larger camera on there, you could put a smaller camera, you can do a lot with that tri-tray. So that's a really cool setup. And then this is our tripod that we've carried for quite a number of years, and this has muck balls, and this has the adjustable legs on it. So this works really good. You can mount it in the sand or somewhere. It also has spiked feet on the bottom, so you could pull these balls off if you needed to, so the feet have better grip into the ground, and you can mount a pretty decent sized camera on here. So these are the different tripods that we have, different kits. And if you have any questions, if you want to look at purchasing one, you're not sure what camera will fit or whatever, just let us know. We're always here to help. Check us out. Find our website, www.ulcs.com, and you can find everything on there. Thank you and happy filming.